Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Back up only your essential files to a trusted cloud or a PC because corrupted data can spread. Once done, disconnect Wi-Fi and mobile data to cut off remote control and enable airplane mode so the malware can't phone home. Make sure the battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions. Next, reboot into safe or recovery mode to prevent apps from auto-running. That's your first actionable step toward a clean system. You'll now perform the core cleanup. Boot into safe mode so only system apps run. This prevents the malware from hiding. Once in safe mode, install or run a reputable mobile antivirus and perform a full scan. Make sure the app's definitions are current or use an offline database if needed. After the scan, manually uninstall any unknown or suspicious apps, then clear their cache and app data to remove lingering payloads. If uninstall fails, revoke. You finish by restoring safety. If malware persists after removal attempts, perform a factory reset, but first back up the recent clean data. Once the device is clean, change all passwords from a different secure device and enable two-factor authentication to prevent reinfection. Make sure to reinstall apps only from official sources and review permissions carefully. If problems continue, document error messages and consult a professional technician. That troubleshooting tip will help identify stubborn root.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.